forever my highlight, my little cave
All right.
that I come here. And
Bambino's
I'll be
Cave.
watching TV, my soccer games whenever I can.
Having a beer or two.
Beer, for sure. Can't miss that. Like, I'm here,
There we go.
I wanna enjoy
Get the party going.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
So,
Bambino,
Yes.
how much time did it take for you to build the shed?
well,
I'm
let me
gonna
see now.
zoom around and you explain.
Actually, this is my third shed that I built in my life.
Okay.
And so this one came out very good.
Yeah.
I assure you.
And just to get this on video, you did this all by yourself?
Oh yes, of
Alone?
course. Did it all by myself. The sides I did it inside my garage,
Okay.
and then springtime I took it out and slam it over here
Wow.
on my cement that I created here. Also
Okay.
built myself, all
The
by
slab.
myself.
That looks good.
Yep.
Yeah,
I have to do
it's
a few
incredible.
fix up job.
No,
fix
of
up,
course. Yeah, you have to.
But that'll be what you call detailing, like you
Later,
detail
yeah.
your car you
With
know?
time.
Yeah, yeah.
But
And,
no, give me the time frame. How much time did you do this?
Well,
How long?
one full summer.
8 months.
8
One
months?
full summer. Well, okay, a little bit more.
Okay.
I lie a little bit.
Okay,
But,
show me around. Explain. I mean, I don't know. You have to explain everything.
Yes, yes.
So what did you do
these
first?
are
How did it
beams
go?
Here, there's a center beam with a shape
Construction.
construction, and then I have wedges here to maintain it, and nothing will make this
Move.
move or crawl or fall.
Okay.
The roof is foolproof. Well,
So
last a long
snow,
time.
water, anything can come.
No,
will not
never,
go inside.
No, not the way I build it.
All right. Show
And,
me.
we'll-
show me
we'll-
the outside. Let's go around it.
Sure.
Give me a full tour, Bambino. Full tour.
Okay.
And over there we have Joanna in the background.
Yes.
Say hello,
This is-
Joanna. Joanna, hello. We're doing the tour. She
This
doesn't
is-
want to talk.
This is was built in her honor.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, Ladybug.
Ladybug, the
This-
shed.
Now this overhangs 2 feet longer than the other side. That's to give me the shade, and also what you will have is
let's see that. The hammock hanger.
hammer hanger, and on the other side, as you can see over there, and I will moving here, double window to get the sun.
Really
winter
going.
and summer.
Really.
Yes,
Getting the light.
This is done with vinyl.
Yeah.
Okay, vinyl siding.
It's really nice.
I can't
Um,
complain. I enjoyed the color.
No, it's perfect. Did you paint it yourself as well?
Yes. This is a burgundy color. Okay.
Okay. What's in the back there?
The back was the same as the front, except that the overhang is not it's level. It's not overhanging down.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I should have done the same thing here, but that's okay. I collect water with this.
Let's. Oh yeah. Let's show that. Go over
Yeah.
the back, other side.
So let's go this way. Come.
Next side.
Okay.
This is the
Here we have
ladybug
a
shed,
window
huh?
Here too. We have a window.
One more extra ventilation.
Yes. And the back here, my water barrel collection.
Wow, look at that.
Which
So
will be used for my gardening.
just explain to people how does it work for people who are not familiar with it.
When raining days, it gets collected in here, and I have a valve here. Anytime I need the water, actually I will eventually I will put a hose,
Yeah.
connect a hose here, which brings it to the garden rather than taking it pail by pail.
Okay.
This is my stronghold wheelbarrow.
Strong one.
I have to replace the wheel.
Been there.
Unfortunately. That's pretty well it. Then I have a retaining wall back here
Let's see the
too.
retaining wall. What's going on?
I have to
Explain to us what's happening.
The thing is, the construction that whoever built it was didn't do a very good job. So I'm gonna have to redo it myself. But that's okay, as long as I have my health.
Yeah.
I'll redo it.
Now move on to the garden, I guess.
Garden.
The
Well,
beautiful
we have,
garden.
Total of supposedly 9 plants of corn.
Yeah.
Over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 more in this yard. They're growing.
Different
hoping to receive-
varieties.
Yeah, especially that one there. I don't
Which
know
one?
what this one here. I
The
don't know.
first one, let's see.
It's rather odd. It's a strange corn.
Yeah.
The grapes are doing very well this year.
Yeah, those are really good.
Much more than last year. But that was because Joanna put her hands to it and knew how to prune it.
The magic.
Yes, you put the magic touch.
Yeah, no, that the grapes look amazing.
Over here, below here. See below?
Let's see.
Oh yeah, right here.
Perfect.
More than you can imagine. It must have a maybe. Eventually, it'll probably have I don't know, 10 kilos, I think.
That's a lot of grapes, huh?
Yeah.
What's the plan with the grapes? What are you guys gonna make?
Maybe I'm gonna, if I can, I will crush it and make some wine.
Perfect.
Why not? Why not?
I love
And then
it.
get
Perfect
drunk in the winter
timing.
time.
Perfect
Okay.
timing.
So these are
What's
my
next?
friendly tomatoes.
Wow, look at
There's
this.
beef steaks,
Okay.
grape tomatoes. We're sticking with grapes all the time here.
Yeah.
Grape tomatoes, and as you can
Tomato.
see, this one here has overgrown its
Itself?
post, so which I'm gonna have to put an extension.
Right. And
Uh,
are they gonna be ripe soon or what? Let me get
They're
a
getting
close
ripe
up.
already. They are getting ripe.
You think you can eat them in how many more weeks?
It depends. Actually, we're already eating them.
Oh, okay, so you
The
pick them
grape?
out.
Yes, we pick them out as they grow. As you can see here, the grape tomatoes.
Wow, look at those.
And these are peppers. Hot peppers here. Hot peppers
All right.
right here.
Are they ready or not yet?
Not quite.
So all
This
of
is salad. Now it's gone
Salad.
to sprouted to seeds.
okay.
There's a collard right here. This is collard.
This one.
Yeah, collard. More pepper here with flowers.
Wow, look at that.
This is our mint. These are our mint. We should have more variety though.
Yeah.
Again, our grapes. And because you can see, they're getting ripe right
Yeah.
here.
Oh yeah, those are the two, huh?
See? Oh no, over there.
Oh, okay.
And they're getting ripe by the minute.
all of them. Look at that.
Yeah,
Back there.
yeah, they're getting ripe by the minute.
What's the thing all the way in the back there? The grass in the bottom.
Oh, that's oregano.
Mm-hmm.
And also have a plant of pickles
Wow.
in the midst of strawberry there behind. Unfortunately, it's hiding.
yeah.
There's strawberry
it's all right.
that it's hiding.
Wow,
Cannot
that's
can
way
eat
to
too
go.
much. And maybe next year, because we don't have enough space, we may have other
Addition.
intention and addition over here.
What's the plans for this side here?
This
Another
side here,
bed, garden bed.
Well, like I was saying.
By the way, you showed the fire pit.
Yes, this is
That's-
our
That's where the magic happens.
Joanna's fire pit. We like to do a little bit of fire at nighttime, bonfire.
Mm-hmm.
And over here, we're doing redoing retaining wall. As you can see, I have to redo it. Retaining wall.
Almost finished, huh?
Well, almost. And reaching to the end. And
All right.
we have a ash tree here.
Oh, we just found out about this one.
Yes, we have an ash tree.
How many years is this tree already?
This should be 3 years old, actually. 3
Yeah.
years old, 3 or 4. Bambina. She's not there.
Oh.
I have a peach tree coming along.
Let's see the peach tree.
Peach tree coming along here.
The peach, how many years?
Oh, this is just this year.
Oh, okay.
This year. Here she is. This beautiful peach tree. It's doing very well. Hopefully.
Is it gonna grow big?
Oh, yes.
You're gonna put it on the
And
ground?
I'm going to put it right over here.
Perfect.
Already planned. I'll have it right here.
What else is in
What do
there?
you hear? I don't know if this is an apple tree. You'll have to tell me what this is with your app.
Yeah, we have to check.
Apple tree, I don't know.
Sure looks
And
like-
this is just a wild, silly tree that Joanna likes. And we have a chicoria.
Oh yeah, explain
the
about
people-
that real quick.
Chicoria
For
is
the
a
people who don't know.
chicoria is a very healthy, actually salad. But people don't believe that and don't really. Actually, today we went to Nation. They were selling this.
And where does it come from? How did you guys start it? Is it
Actually,
wild?
Wild. Yes, it's wild dandelion. This is a wild dandelion.
Yeah.
And I think we pretty well covered everything.
Show the.
Oh, this
the
is
the
no,
barbecue pit.
This is a blueberry
Okay.
which I purchased. This is a blueberry.
It's gonna grow big as well.
Yes, and we're gonna have to have a home base for that. And who knows, maybe over here somewhere.
No.
And if we want, continue. We
Okay.
have another grape plant here.
Variety, different one. Or same?
No, unfortunately, it's the same. But we're planning to
Some flowers around. Show
oh
the
yeah, flowers.
the barbecue pit area. I mean,
Oh,
yeah. Let's
the
close
barbecue.
up the video.
Okay.
There you go. This is where the party happens.
Yeah, right here.
Bambino sits there.
This is our barbecue, like anybody else's.
That's it. Oh, it's fine.
Purchased. Oh. 7 years ago, 5 years ago.
Strong. Still
Yeah,
brand
5
new.
years. 5 years ago.
Brand new.
Yeah, still brand new. Still
Perfect.
doing very well. And here, behind this,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm
the
installing
electrical.
electrical for the shed.
What's happening there? Just explain
Yeah,
quick.
there's a cable.
quick
I mean, with
explanation.
a PVC going under the ground, 18 inches below,
Okay.
right across, down and up the shed. And
Wow.
we'll have
That
electricity over there, so I can put my speakers and my radio there, so that I can have music
Yeah.
and
Perfect.
have a dance over here.
A little
Dance
party.
on the ground.
Thanks, Bambino. That covers everything, huh?
Yes,
Thanks for the tour. Really nice.
quite welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers to you.
And thank you
Enjoy.
very much. Very nice.
No
Well
problem.
done job here. A lot of hard work, guys.
And maybe you should come back in about a month. We'll pick up at the grapes and make some wine.
Perfect. I love that. All right. Look at those grapes. We're going to finish it off with the grapes.